Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to install Kali Linux in our MacBook Air M1 using VMware Fusion. So let's begin. So in your browser, if you search VMware Fusion for Mac M1, and there is a blog written by VMware on this. We will open this blog, and from here, download Fusion for Apple Silicon now. If we click on this link, okay, from here you can download VMware Fusion for MacBook M1. Please download from here. If you download from somewhere else, it would be for Intel MacBook Airs and it's not going to work for our MacBook M1. So by clicking here, you can download that. I have already done that. And for Kali Linux, if you search Kali or go to kali.org and click on Get Kali and scroll below, there would be option for bare metal and select Apple M1. I tried downloading and installing that installer, but it didn't work for me. And then I tried installer, it properly works. So please download that only. And by clicking here, you can download, or by using torrent, you can do that. So I have downloaded both VMware Fusion and Kali Linux ISO. So let's move towards the installation. Here I have downloaded both VMware Fusion and Kali Linux installer. So to install, I will just double click on VMware Fusion and again double click to install. Click on open and enter your password to install this file. Here it's showing old virtual machine that I have created for testing. So I have to click on file and click on new to create a new virtual machine, and again go to my finder. Let me close this and drag and drop Kali Linux installer ISO here and click on continue. I will select Debian and 10x, click on continue again and click on finish. Save it. Let me close the other machine and I will going to select graphical install. Click on enter. Select language as English only. Country I will leave it as US. American English. It takes so much time to install, so I will fast forward this video. Now give some host name. I will leave it as Kali only. Just leave domain name as blank and click continue. Full name of new user I will leave it as futureverse, and username I will keep it as same only, futureverse. New password, set some password that you want. I will leave clock as Eastern only. Can continue. Use for new users, use guided, use entire disk only, and click on continue and click on continue again and select all files in one partition and again click on continue. Finish for partitioning and write changes to a disk and continue. Select it as yes and continue. And click on continue to boot to our new system. Take it to full screen and enter the username that you have used by installing this and enter the password. Click on login. So Kali Linux is successfully installed in our MacBook Air M1. If you think this video was useful to you, you can hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.